Hi, this is Dr. Cooper, and this is a screencast for the English 101 Freshman Composition class. This screencast will show you how to use the collaboration tool in order to do assignment number 9 for this week. So as you know, it's week 13, so we're in module 5, and module 5 is the collaboration module, where we will be working on a theme of personal freedoms, and we're going to write a group essay on that will be a rhetorical analysis essay. So this module is going to last 3 weeks, and in the first week, we're going to get started with our group projects. So the first thing you'll want to do is find out what group you're in. And once you discover which group you are in, you will then go to the course network to go to visit your group. Now there's 2 group areas, and your group can decide which group area you want to use. For instance, on the network, you click on groups and you'll see all of the groups here. If you scroll down, you'll see the rest of the groups. But if you go back to Blackboard, you'll also see that there's also group areas within the Blackboard area. So a lot of people are familiar with the network, so they'll want to be there. Other people are familiar with Blackboard, so they'll want to be there. What you have to do is agree as a group where to meet. The one thing you have to keep in mind is that the email addresses that are used in Blackboard are email addresses that most of you aren't using. So if you send an email out to your group members, they may not get it. But on the network, you know that we are all using our regular email addresses, and if you send an email out to your group on the network, they will all get it. Okay, so let's go back to the collaboration tool. So what I did was I sent you all an email. And you'll see an email that says English 101, the name of your group. This is the example of the Yellow Jays, and then collaboration tools. When you click on that link, you will see a message that says to you that I have invited you. Let's move this up a little bit. I have shared a document with you. And if you click on this link, it will take you to the document. Now remember, it's not an attachment. You are actually logging into Google Docs. Now don't worry, you don't have to have an account. What will happen is the email address that I sent this to will create an account for you, or you will have an account created for you using that email address. Now you do not have to use this tool at all, but I'm showing you how it'll be easy for you all to complete this assignment by using this tool. Okay, so click on the link, and what will happen is it'll open up the document. And as you can see, these are the steps. 1, 2, step 2, and then step 3 is the outline that you have to complete for assignment number 9. Now you can easily edit this document. To log in, you have to actually create an account first. So click on the Create an Account button and then set up a Google account. Now you can use any email address you want. So if you have a Yahoo email or a Hotmail or a Cox or AOL, go ahead and use the email address that you use always. And you just type it in. So I used a fake email address, so I'm going to go ahead and use that one again for now. And I'm going to create my password and enter it again. And then down below, I'm in the United States, and I have to type in this little word here. Looks like it's that. And I'm going to read all the terms. I'm a speed reader. And then I say, I accept, create my account. Now, once I have created the account, it says, welcome to Google Accounts. Now, whenever I log in, I will need to log in using that email address that I use. So whichever email address you use, you can log in using that email address. Okay? Now, here's a key step. Don't forget this. Before you can do anything with your Google account and be able to edit that document, you have to verify the email address. So go back to your email account and you'll get an email from Google that says accounts no reply. When you click on that, you'll see that they want for you to activate your account by verifying your email address. So I have to click on this link to verify, and voila, I am verified. Now I should be able to access that document to be able to edit it with my group. Okay, now since I have clicked the link and I have verified my email account, now all I have to do is click Google Home and then click the More down button, scroll down to Documents, and I'll see the document that was shared with me. And when I click on it, the document opens up. Now I can edit anything I want in here. So I could say, wee, delete, and then, oops, I didn't mean to delete that. You could just hit the back arrow, and it goes back. So as a group, now all of you will have access to this, and you can fill out your rhetorical situation cover page, and then you can also fill out your outline when it comes to that. But for now, all I want for you to do is add the names of the people in your group who are responsible for each of these sections. So if your name is Mary, you'll erase that and write Mary in there. And if your name is Jim, you would say Jim is going to do logos. And then each person is going to be responsible for a section of the outline. Now, when you're finished, before you leave, you want to make sure that you save and close. Now, I don't want to save that because it will mess up this for you. So I'm going to go back. Okay, so that's how you edit the document or share or collaborate with the document, and this is what we call Google Docs. So you do have to sign up for an account so that you can use it. But once you have that account, you can use any email address that you want. It doesn't have to be a Gmail address, but obviously if you do have a Gmail account, just sign in with your Gmail account. It should be easy and ready to go. So if you have any questions, let me know. Oh, one last thing. You might want to bookmark this web address so that you'll know how to access it again. So you'll save it, the Yellow Jays Google Doc or whatever your team name is, and say done. And then when you go into your bookmarks, you'll have a quick link to get back to it each time. Then don't forget, you just have to use your email address and whatever password that you use to set up that Google account to be able to use it. Alright, now one other thing too, if you forget to bookmark, you can always go back to your email account, go back to the original email that was sent to you, and when you click the link there, it should take you directly to the document. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know.